How old are you?
I'm 67.
Dia tengah cari orang single. Ni, my grandmother.
Not
Ask
for
him.
me.
Ask him, divorce. Ask him.
Not for me.
Yeah, I know. Ask him for divorce.
No.
Lebih,
No,
right?
you have kids.
Kau tahu
No.
dia cakap apa kat aku?
Ha.
Allah يخرب بيت الصور.
Divorce your wife. Divorce. Aku cakap apa benda ni? Dia nak bagi satu makhluk aku.
لا بديش. I want
Somebody
somebody not married.
Somebody Ryan.
Ryan boleh Ryan.
Where's Ryan? Where is Ryan?
Ryan already close. He do bolas. Afiq Ameh.
Watching World Cup.
World Cup. Z fishing.
Ha.
Wait, I'm looking for the picture.
Alright. Too long my grandmother.
What?
Too long, my grandmother.
Taking too long?
Yes, my grandmother. Where the picture?
Next time.
Okay, next time.
Let's show the picture next time.
Next time. We just talking today, my grandmother.
Talking.
This is my brother's, my grandmother. His name is Clay.
No, it's not your brother. He looks nothing like you.
Nice.
No, but
Brothers in Islam, my grandmother.
brother in Islam. Okay.
Dia kata tak sama muka ni dah.
Iyalah. Dia pun tahu.
This is
Semua saya tak kata gelam. Punya tenggelam tak, Wan?
Tenggelam sikit.
Halo.
لا.
Okay, saya campur tu.
مش لقيت خلص بعدين.
Mana?
Later. But now,
now?
from now on,
92.
bring somebody not married.
Oh, not married.
Oh, not married. Tak mau yang kahwin.
38, 37, 39. بدناش young. وبدناش married. No married, no young.
Okay.
Doctor, finance,
Alright.
money. Yeah. I bring.
She come to Malaysia?
لا والله ما لقيتلوش عروس. No, you come to America.
Alright.
Oh, di Amerika. Di Islam ke?
Ada Islam?
Yeah, you come to America. She meet you. If she like you, she go to Malaysia.
Ya, aku rasa bagi Cik Lan kan?
تكبيس يا حبيبي. خسرانين ماكلينها وهو عم بيجيب 15,000 واحنا عالمية.
Follower dia pun 1.4.
Okay, sabar je. Aku bagi Cik Lan. My grandmother, you wait. I will find another one. Have finished this game. This is very, very great grandfather.
For me?
Yes.
Yes.
I find for you.
Rich?
Very, very rich.
Okay, agree.
Okay.
يلا.
You
I
wait.
come to Malaysia.
Oh,
شكرا يا مجنر
Very, very good. These people, very nice.
Artist in Singapore.
You can get
Rich,
another
I
baby.
agree, even if it's 100 years, okay.
He is an actor in Malaysia.
Demand pula.
Actor. There is so many people, they love him.
You ask Chile.
Yes, actor.
يا زلمة actor, people will follow him and women will be after him. He doesn't want me.
But
Bring me somebody blind.
setia
بدنا
apa
واحد
setia?
غني فلوس.
Wait,
Bring
setia
me
apa
somebody, no eyes, no
Setia.
hearing. No, anything under the bed.
Dia belakang bawah aku tak tahu.
Okay,
No good
Cik.
for a bed.
Loyal. Apa ada pun komen?
Wait, grandmother. He's very loyalty.
Okay, يلا. Agree. Show me picture.
Okay,
Show me.
He is great grandfather. You're all
Celebrity.
62, right? You 68, 68.
67.
He's 68.
No, he's 77.
Good. 10 years older than me. Fine.
Alright, it's okay.
تكبيس انتوا مساءكم خالتي اهلا وسهلا تكبيس يا صبايا Listen, if he's rich, I agree. 77.
Betul lah.
Tell us
My grandmother, 77. Very, very strong.
طب picture.
Wait, I will invite him.
Okay, يلا invite him. I'm
You
waiting.
ask Chile, he is very strong.
Yes,
Okay.
very strong. Invite.
You got another baby for him.
You get together.
Suka. Are you like my grandmother? I know. Okay, wait. Dia tak sabar dah tu. Dia tak sabar Abang Kak.
كلف له سحلية ولا
Fishi, terima kasih Afiq Amir, Daddy Don, terima kasih
No
Mas
baby,
Nadul.
no baby.
Din,
You want to
Amir,
look for
Noor.
baby.
Abang Kakak follow MVP kita Abang Kakak. Abang Z Fishing kita, Abang Afiq Amir kita bagi 1,000 Abang Afiq kita, Abang Daddy Don, Aman 92, Centola, Din, Amiruddin, terima kasih Abang Kakak, semoga dimurah rezeki. Okey, jap.
ناهد بده baby.
Wait,
If he wants baby, you know what? No, like.
wait, I will invite. Accept.
Me?
No,
Yeah.
accept. Okay, wait, I will. Wait, Ciklan.
Where is he? Where is he?
Wait.
Wait.
Alamak, dia buat invitation off lah. Abang Kakak pergi kat Cik Lan, suruh dia join saya jap. Ataupun suruh dia buka invitation. Belagak pula Cik Lan ni. Pergi ramai-ramai kat Cik Lan. Abang Kakak boleh kejap? Spam kat dia. Wang kat dia nak jumpa jap.
ندبر حالنا يا شباب عريس غني
Sembang kat Cik Lan 2 minit.
شغالة صلح لي سيارة يعمل لي بيت لابني حرام عليكم بستاهل شو بستاهل والله انا دمي
Kita
خفيف
bagi Cik Lan masuk, lepas tu kita ger.
Iya.
Bagi kita sembang 2-3 minit lah. 2-3 minit.
بعدين هذا يمم معاه ناس كتير حتى لو مش فاهمين
Aminah.
حاجة.
Okey, dah.
انا I want to come visit Malaysia
Assalamualaikum Cik Lan. This.
يا ماما that's a woman هاي a woman
No.
Boy.
Hello, I'm Tomboy. My name Siti Nurmala Petaka Ombak Tsunami.
بوتاكو تسونامي والله والنعم والله تشرفنا يا بوتاكو تسونامي
No, who are you?
هالحظ
Wait. What's your name?
سلطان ما اسباني انا منام
What's your... mampu lang kau.
My grandmother. My great grandfather ask you.
Hello, grandmother. Hello, my name Wat Lu. You know Wat Lu? I Tok Lu.
يا ويلو يا ويلو
Cik Lan, dia nak cari ni lah. Dia nak cari pengganti suami dia.
Oh, ya ke? Aku buat suruh jantan Hello, madam.
مدام انت مان ولا وومن يمه؟
No.
Boy,
Hello.
this is man.
I man.
والله he doesn't look any like a man. He looks like a woman.
I have anaconda. You know anaconda?
اشوف والله يا ويلي
No show this.
اشوف اللي وانا اقوله
This man.
خليني اشتغل طول النهار وانظف واسحب وامسح الارض باسناني
My grandmother, how? Do you want this? My grandfather.
What you want? Oh, don't want.
I
Why?
want real man. I don't have half.
Hello. I can marry.
Man, real man, not half.
Hello.
This real.
Real. The rich man ni.
Weh, Cik Lan, betul kan tekak tu?
Sudah dong.
Dia buka tu.
Acap kan tu. Bukan dah. Acap.
Mana ni?
Why you off?
Dia meninggal lah.
Dia ni cakap, why you off? I man.
Man. The real
Man. My grandmother is man. Rich man.
You want me?
Not yet.
Hey. Why you bisu? You handicap?
Bag
My grandmother.
Your grandmother. Hello. Where you from? Where you from?
Alah, salah.
No year.
Dia tertekan kot.
Lan, cakap dengan si Dini yang si Dini.
Hello. Kenapa dia, babe?
Dia nak cari pengganti suami dia.
Dia pun kau cakap dengan dia lah. Aku straight.
Ya, kau Cik Lan nak tak kalau dia?
Ada mesej dia.
Nak, okey lah.
Tanya pasal address.
No can.
Boleh, on.
Okay.
Hey, grandmother, you unmute.
My grandmother no have. My grandmother.
No sound.
No sound.
Oh, suami dia kena tembak kat masjid.
No sound. Oh, dia mute. Cik Lan, buang filter tu. Buang filter. Cik Lan.
Papa ada mesej dia. Tanya pasal t-shirt.
Buang
Aku nak
filter.
pergi kasih address.
Ni Celik, kakak saudara aku.
Shakira wedding.
Yamma.
Kat Syarika,
I made a
Shakira
match.
wedding.
Don't give me half match.
Dia ada message kau celik. Dia pasal t-shirt.
Mr. Jan. خلاص.
My grandmother. My grandmother, why?
I want a real man with mustache.
Oh, dia dah ada
tall,
misai.
strong.
Buat misai.
مش لابس أواعي بنات.
Wait, he can do, but slowly.
Can do straight.
I don't want to do.
This.
That's the thing I don't want to do. خلاص أنا بدي أعطيك غير beautiful.
This mustache.
Mustache. Mustache Kamal.
Yeah.
My grandmother, you don't want?
You the
No, I
one?
don't want.
Ni, my grandfather.
No, that's not the man.
Yes,
Man.
man. Really, man. 100%
Really,
man.
Man. I can become Batman. You want me
Yeah.
Ultraman? All included.
Yes.
Superman.
You
But I
get
don't
me?
want Batman. I want Superman.
He was
Yes,
Superman.
I Superman. I can become Superman because you kenal the Superman, you find Ultraman.
Listen,
Ninja Turtle.
take the hat, take the mask,
Buka topi.
take the freaking.
Huh?
Buka Cik Lan
Take the
topi.
glasses.
Topi buka. Dengan ni filter.
خليني أعنس.
Dia tak suka filter.
Aku tak set rambut aku.
Okey, tak payah buka filter tu.
Take this out. Take.
Okay, wait. You nak sangat kan? Wait. Now later you.
Cik Lan.
يا فلك.
Apa dah?
هذا
Sekejap.
رجال. يعني والله العظيم شو.
Betul-betul muka Cik Lan dengan muka grandmother tu apa?
Itulah pasal. See.
You see. Grandmother, my grandmother.
نظارة ولا طلع لي في هذا بتعرفوا
Hey.
هذا زي
Hey.
الحلس الملس هذول
Perempuan
الشباب
kau ni alamak
أيام
Instagram lah.
زمان.
Ni tak nak alamak saswi lah kau.
You don't want?
قطيعة
Wait, my grandmother. You don't want?
ليك هات أوف هات
Oh, hair.
Wait.
Dia jual topi.
Oh, dia suka kau tepi.
Rich,
Wait,
rich.
hold on.
Yeah. Very, very rich in Singapore.
Very rich. Jadi don. See.
Ikut tunggu boleh. Jadi kita pun kalau ada expo kita post.
good good I like this
Oh, dia
You like?
Oh.
yeah
You like
yes
this?
I like how much money do you have والله كل الحلقان
I got 50. I got 50,000.
اسمع
You like this?
blue eyes
Yeah, I blue
استنى،
eye.
أنا بدي احط لك انا استنى هسه بدي احط انا وليش يعني ما احطش فلاته
Kau grandmother ni dah galak
في
leh.
العالم كيف تحطوا فلقها
So how my grandmother?
Oh.
Oi, sis. Dah siap berkemban tu?
Dah siap.
Aku nak beli air tu.
Oh.
You are very the blue lagoon.
Man.
Yeah, you are very blue lagoon.
شوف yes
So how?
You know-
My grandmother, how? The next step.
Nanti I kasi nombor telefon. I kasi nombor telefon.
Oh, ni
My
galau.
grandmother, how?
what
My grandmother.
You want?
How? You want or not?
no I want a beautiful man
You want? Weh, dia topak.
Oh, dia dopak. Cik Lan.
Lan.
Oh, ini kalau bibir melekat ni.
I want a beautiful
Ay, sis, man.
Dia topak Cik Lan.
Ya, ini kena
ليش واحدة
melekat.
حلوة هاي حلوة هاي تشاينيزية
Very dangerous. My grandmother.
Very strong.
Ini kalau kena buat lebay, terus gigi hilang ni.
حط فيس حلو يا زلمة فيس
Boleh?
Hello grandmother. Grandmother, wait you kiss me.
Bagi diorang couple. Cukup lah kan kita bagi diorang couple. Kita jangan kacau. Diorang mula selesa. Diorang boleh kenal hati budi. Boleh lah tu bang kakak. Diorang dah start kenal hati budi tu. Shock lah kita.